Guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech with Waqar, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the keyboard combination that is very cool and you don't know about. So let's get started. So first of all, what if I say can you open the folder which is beneath the toolbar without touching your mouse? Then you will think how it possible. So for this reason Microsoft has developed a shortcut. We have to hold our window key and then we have to press any number, like folder is on second number, so I will press 2, and if I want to visit my Camtasia, which is my video editor, then I will press Windows key plus 1. So here I have to open a folder, so let's press Windows key plus 2 and you will see it has opened. And now I also want to minimize it and I will press those buttons again and it will minimize. Now I have to open my Camtasia, then I will open it, and like this. If you want to open another application which is situated on toolbar, then you can use these numbers. So next keyboard combination is Windows key plus arrows. If I open any folder here and I have to snap it on the right of my screen, then I will put it at the left and I will snap it here. And what if I will use keyboard? So if I will hold Windows key and press upper arrow key, it will snap on the top, and if I will press window key and then right, it will snap to the right, and if I press left, it will snap to the left, and if I will press left and upper key simultaneously, then it will snap on the top. And like this, if I want to minimize it, I will have window plus down arrow key, so it will snap to the down, and if I will press again, it will minimize, and if I will press upper key 3 times, it will also maximize it. Let's move on our next keyboard combination, which is Win plus A. It will open Action Center, so we will use Window plus A button and you will see Action Center has opened. And if you want to change brightness, you can do it. I know it is a little bit trickier because Windows have given us a button here. You can click here and do anything whatever you want, but for the sake of video I have to show you. And our next keyboard combination is, let's say you have opened a lot of files here like this, and let's say this. And if I want to minimize it, you will go separately and click on minimize, and then minimize again. But if you will press Window plus D here, it will automatically minimize all the windows that are currently on desktop. So D means show my desktop. So when I press Window key and D again, it will open them again. So I will close it. Okay, our next keyboard combination is Win plus E, and it will open our file explorer. Here you can see my file explorer has opened and you can do whatever you want. So this is our next keyboard combination. Our next keyboard combination is for projection. So projection mean if you want to share your display, if you want to make your display expand to another screen, then you will go to Action Center and go to projection, and we can directly open the settings by pressing Win plus P like this, and you will see duplicate your screen, extend your screen, second screen only. If you are old Windows user, then you will know about run command. Here you can type anything you want, like I want to open my command prompt. I will say CMD here and hit enter and it will open my command prompt. So what if I want to open the run here? So I will press Win plus R and it will open my terminal, run command, and I will open my terminal from here. Let's talk about our next combination, which is zoom in and zoom out. You will see here, if I will click on this magnifier button, it will zoom in my window like this, and if I want to close it, I have to click here and close it. So we can do from keyboard, you have to hold Min key and then plus button at the very right of your keyboard like this, so it will open. And if I want to zoom out here, so I will press Windows plus minus key and it will also zoom out. And if I want to zoom in again, and I have to press plus every time I want to big my screen like this. Okay, you have talked about these settings. Here you can do anything, whatever you want, so it is not a big deal to open here from here. But let's see, your right click is not working properly, so you have to Win plus X here and it will open the settings menu. Then we have the last command, which is our bonus. We have covered 10 commands and this is to lock our screen. You have to press Win plus L button and then it will lock screen. If I will currently press these buttons, my screen recorder will turn off. So this is for this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.
Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, eh? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I sick, am I okay, eh? Stay up, late nights, still in pain. In my mind, it decays as I try to